Welcome, guys. This is your first Forex class, and I'll be putting you through the basic things you need to get started. Here are what we shall be covering. What is Forex? The major currencies we trade, FX times and sessions, pips and lots, the apps needed for trading. So without quick delay, let's not take our time. Let's dive in. So now, what is Forex? Forex gotten from the word foreign exchange, which also means the same. It is the buying and selling of currencies, foreign currencies, where we have the GBP, that is the British pound. We have the AUD, that is the Australian dollar. We have the USD, that is the United States dollar. We have the NSD, that is the New Zealand dollar. We also have the euro. Then we have the Japanese yen, that is the JPY. So like that, those are the currencies. Now, how do we accumulate money or funds trading forex? We simply make money, or we make money simply by trading the volatility of these currencies, their ups and downs of the same currencies, you get. So trading is, markets are very like so volatile, you get. So you can't, like, if some of the basic videos most of you have already started watching YouTube, if you notice, you will see something like a candle going up down up down. You can't see something going up straight. It must surely go up and come down. So that is simply why we say we simply trade the volatilities of these currencies, their ups and downs of the same currency pairs. The pairs I just listed, we'll dive into those pairs as we get further. Now, Forex sessions and the time they open. Forex sessions and the time they open. Now, the forex market is the biggest financial market worldwide. You get. So though we have the crypto financial market in comparison, where we have booming of Bitcoin, and the alt season is almost here. A lot of meme and altcoins will follow suit. Then we talk about the meme coins. So that will cause a whole lot of bullish movements in the markets in comparison with the first. But nevertheless, you can't beat it. That's my side of view. You can't. The crypto financial markets can't beat the forex financial markets. You get. Now, over that being said, over 6.3 trillion is you wonder why I said the crypto can't beat. So you look at this, over 6.6 trillion is transacted every single day. Watch that word. We did not say every week. I did not say every month. Every single day, over 6.63 trillion, as our latest research though. So every single day, this is worth of forex transactions that takes place daily, which is an average of 250 billion per hour. And that is why we talk about sticking to our strategy, because you can't be going into the markets with your small $50. What the big markets, the big waves, they are doing with these large sums, you can't be going and be trying to. We'll get to that in technical analysis. So we just stick to the end of the course. So this is simply meaning you can make even up to $10,000, $5,000 in a day, $100K, $100,000 today, and the market will feel you. They won't even notice you, and it will just be like, yes, someone has, and it will fill it up immediately. You see someone will be liquidated almost that same amount. Let's not even go into there, but simply meaning you can make a whole lot in trading forex, just forex alone. Now, let's now fully talk about the times and sessions. We have the London session, the Tokyo session, the New York session, and Sydney sessions. But the major ones we trade are the London session and the New York session. You get. So these sessions, you'll be wondering what are these sessions. If you remember, I mentioned currencies where I talked about currency pairs, where I talked about the GBP, the British pound. You get. That's what is British is tied to London now. So London session, we have the USD, you get the Euro USD, like that. We have the JPY pairs, that's the Japanese yen, that's the Tokyo session. We have the Sydney, where we have the Australian dollar, you get, and the likes of them like that. So you basically having this basic knowledge of this stuff and the time to trade, the time to enter a market will keep you ahead and at least leverage you from other common traders that are just coming up. Now, like I said, the major ones we trade are the London sessions and the New York sessions. Yeah. Now, time they open. The London session opens by 8 a.m. Nigerian time. So by 8 a.m. Nigerian time, this is the London session. What happened this time in London session? Analyze the markets around that kind early hours of, let's say you're up 5:30, 5 o'clock, 7, refine your other blocks, refine some stuff in your chart and expect some moves to happen because of what London sessions by 8 a.m. Now, if you miss the London session, we also have a New York session that starts by 1 p.m. That is 1 p.m. Nigerian time. That's when the New York. That's when we talk about the American, the US dollar. You get. So knowing this, like I said, will leverage you. Knowledge is a virtue. So knowing these basic things will keep you head start. Now the forex market runs from Monday to Friday. That is, like I've mentioned in maybe if you have watched the video where I welcomed and congratulated you getting the course. I'd mentioned the first market runs from Monday to Friday, where I talked about we having after the end of the forex sessions from Monday to Friday, we'll have a quick rundown of what happened that week in our live session on Sunday. So if you remember vividly, I talked about it. Now the forex market runs from Monday to Friday. That is 24/5 instead of the common 24/7 we know. But there's also one forex market that is simply, I'll call it like a simulated forex, that because this type of forex, the way it works is based on past events. That's the way I see synthetics. It's called synthetics. It runs 247, just the same way we have our crypto. You get. That's synthesis market. It runs 247, so you don't have to beat around or bother about it. Once you have learned technical analysis, you can definitely trade anything. You can trade crypto, you can trade forex market, you can trade synthesis market and the likes. You get. So just keep your heads up. Now let's talk about pips. We'll be talking about pips. What is pips? These are some simple things you'll be hearing. Basic trading forex terminologies. Pips is price movement. The forex market moves by pips. You get. So I'll be illustrating that in the chart. This is trading view. We'll get there. App to use for trading. Now, if you go to your trading view, you tap here your drawings. If you can see, you tap here your drawings. Market. This is ruler or measure. You use it to measure. As you can see, market is on a downtrend. That is going down, selling. You get. Now you can see what this market has done, because close this trade already though. This is already, you can see this minus 229 here, 0.8. This is already 229 pips. So this is the profit I'm in. Like I said, it moves by what? The price movement. Pips is the price movement before market moves. Now that's the profit. This here is the stop loss. This up here, this measure to the stop loss. This is risking 66 pips. You get. And this hasn't even done fully. It's still going down. You get almost to 400. At least this is what I'm aiming. You get. So that is simply what pips is. Now, what is lot size? What is the lot size? Now, lot size is the volume. After talking about pips, these are just basic forex terminology you need to get used to, though you'll be hearing it more often, so definitely to sink in. So lot size is the volume. Also, it will determine how big or small your profits will be coming in based on price movement. That's based on the pips. You get? I'll be illustrating that. But if you are familiar with the crypto market, also similar to leveraging, I don't know you where you can see like 5x, because majority of individuals are already familiar with crypto before coming to forex, or some just based on forex, you get. But if you know this, you will see 5x, 10x, 15 up to 100x. So basically, I just simply say lot size is like leverage. You get? So it determines your profit and also your loss. So it determines, that's what determines it. Now let me be showing you the lot size I'm talking about. Let's go to our pips calculator. Now, just 2 minutes because of the network. So guys, there was an error while recording the last video. I think that website they're having issues because I use the new FX10 calculator. That's what I use most times when I can't just, maybe I'm running out of time and I can't just manually calculate the pips. So sometimes I really just want to use my pip calculator to at least get a clear what I'm risking my profits to done. So yeah, scroll down and the tools, yeah, you have pip calculator here, and this is it. I think they're having issues because this is not how it's supposed to show, but nevertheless we'll be using this other site. It's called Cashback Forex. So this is it. So let's see, for instance, like I showed you guys 200 pips, Euro JPY, you get. And let's say, like I talked about the lot size, now I'm risking, let's say 0. Let's say one lot size. Yeah, let's say one lot size on the trade. You can see if I was in profit, this is what I'll be getting. Let's go on 0.5. You can see. Let's go on 0.2. You can see. Let's go on 0.1. And that's how it goes. Basically, you cannot have, if let's say $10 account, that's when we're talking about the 0.001, you get, where you can see if you're on profit, this is what you'll be making. You get from that 200 pips. Okay, let's say 0.05. That 200 pips is on profit in the $10 account. So let's say now, as I showed you guys in the video, I'm risking about 66 pips, and you can see that in that using this lot size 0.05, you can see. Okay, you can see it's $21. You can see it's above my own equity. That's my overall balance. So let's say 0.005. You can see. So if I lose the trade, that's if the trade hits stop loss, like I showed you guys. The trade hits stop loss. This is what I'll just be losing. Let me go back to show you guys. This video is supposed to be brief. For instance, now as you can see, this is our ruler, our measure, and like I told you guys, this is what I'm expecting price to dump to decide I sell about 470 pips. So now in my $10 account, 470 pips. Let's say 470 pips. I'll impute it here, 470 pips. And this is the lot size I'm using 0.005. This is what I'll be making my $10 account. Any trade I open, so far it's this, and it reaches the full TP, this is what I'll be making. So like I can, in the $10 account, I can open like 3 positions and I'll be making this profit. So now What will I be losing? What will I be losing? As you can see, the stop loss there, 66.3. That's my $10 account, 66.3. As you can see, calculate. I'll be losing $2. So if this trade automatically hits stop loss, I will know that minus $2 already. That's for one position. So if I open three positions, that's minus $6. So I'll be left with just $4 equity balance. But if the trade eventually hits full TP, that is 470, I'll be making 14 times 3 because I open 3 positions, or let's say I open 2 positions. So if you open 2 positions, this particular trade doing 7:1, if you open and it's already going, if you open 3 positions and 2 positions, you know that you're losing $4 if trade hits stop loss. And if the trade hits full TP, you're making $28 added to your equity. That's overall 38. So that's simply how it is. That's just simply how it is. Now, apps you need to trade, as you need to start trading, we have the MetaTrader 5. We have MetaTrader 4 also, but it's kind of like outdated. So most brokers now are used to MetaTrader 5 now. Then we also have one. It's coming up and it's so very, very. I even prefer that, but we'll talk about it in our live session. It's called Match Trader. So if you'll be familiar with it very soon, but stick to this because this is familiar one. This is like a culture. Yeah, a trader, you must be familiar with MetaTrader 5. We have TradingView, used to analyze chart like I just showed you guys now. This chart. We have TradingView. We have opening of our account, a recommended broker. I'll show you guys this app. We have FBS, and I'll provide the links. So you need to have MetaTrader 5. You need to have a TradingView. You use to analyze charts. You need to have a recommended broker. You get. You need like XNS, FBS. Links will be provided. You get. If you need links, to be provided in the community group. Then my FX book. In fact, let me go to the app so that I can see. Yes, good. Yes, I call it my office here. As you can see, my office too. This is for Forex. This is for crypto. So, excellence, like I talked about, this is the required broker. This is the broker you need to be able to place your trades. Then this app, TradingView, where you analyze your charts. TradingView, you don't use it to place trades, you use it to analyze, to do technical analysis, back to your fundamental analysis. We'll talk about fundamental analysis, so just you guys follow through. Then, like I said, TradingView that I just showed you guys now is used to analyze the chart. Then we have our MetaTrader 5 that I just told you guys. Then this MetaTrader is what we use to place trades. MetaTrader is what we use to place trades. MetaTrader is what we use to place trades. Just you stick to the end of this course and you see how you place trades, how to book and break even, and you get to move this thing. So basically, just stick to the end of the course and you'll be enlightened. Then we have I've talked about MetaTrader, I've showed you TradingView. Then opening of accounts, I've showed you XNS. Let me show you guys FBS. These are brokers. These are just recommended brokers. These are brokers. So we have my FX book. My FX book is used to know news. So you know, most times if you do your analysis, you think everything is alright, but you did not look at your fundamentals. That's the news aspect. So sometimes you place trade and you see that you are taking out stop loss hits, but there was a news that you didn't pay attention to. So you will know the news you get. So these are news that are already played out today. As you can see, the news, and that is it. Then what again? FXTM pips calculator. That is what I just showed you guys here. FXTM, or you can use this other site, Cashback Forex. When you go to the Cashback Forex, when you go there, you just tap up here. Do you guys see where I tapped? You tap here, this place. It will take you directly to just showing you your calculator. and like it has showed you, and I used to illustrate simple stuff to you guys. So you guys should be deliberate with the videos, and see you guys in the next video. Thank you all for watching.